Mauri Katarina and I clean my followers' homes for free. This girl sent me message through Instagram and asked my help. She has depression and other mental illnesses. She's trying to get her life back together. So of course, I'm happy to help her. Now it's Saturday, 7 a.m. and first I'm gonna pick up my friend Emmy and we are driving to Helsinki where this girl lives.
Hi. Okay, let's go.
So it looks like this and I'm so excited. So first we are going to start by collecting all the trashes and after that we are going to do dishes.
Tämä on nyt tiskattu ja nämä on tosi kovettuneita tähän näin. Niin sen sijaan, että jatkaa sitä hinkkaamista ihan tuhottomasti, laittaa vähän käsitiskiainetta, sitten ottaa jonkun välineen, pyöräyttää noin, että se vaahtoo siihen ja laittaa väärinpäin. Koska silloin, kun ihmiset upottaa astiat niinku veteen, niin se vesi painaa niin paljon, että se ei pääse sinne niinku imeytyyn. Mutta nyt kun se on näin päin, niin se vesi menee sen lian läpi, jolloin se pehmenee paljon nopeammin.
Okay, here we have two cabinets looking like this. I'm gonna put these on here and put these clean dishes over here. Yes, let's do that. Microfiber cloth and I use only water in here. If I have stains like this, I use this scraper to scrape things off. And this is one of my favorite products. It's Power Paste by Scrap Daddy. It's really good. Now it's done. Okay, I'm wiping this and you can see that there is still grease and dust left. So I'm using cleaner like this. This is industrial cleaner. I'm going to spray a little bit of that. After this, I'm going to wipe it. Easy. Then I'm using this oven cleaner. I'm gonna spray it here, microfiber cloth. Then I'm just gonna wipe. Here we have a stain like this. It's really hard to wipe, so I'm using scraper. And voila! It comes off easily. After this, I'm just wiping it off. Voila!
Nyt haisee niin. Mango. Se on mango. muutaman minuutin, ehkä 10 minuuttia tossa noin. Ja tää ruoka on pehmennyt. Ja nyt skrapataan. Oi kun lähtee hyvin. Se on niin pehmennyt, ettei tarvi juuri tehdä mitään. Sitten vaan huuhtelut. Puhdasta on! Oi.
Okay, we just finished and now we are going to back in Tampere. I'm so happy but really tired. I think we cleaned like 7.5 hours. Shower is calling us and after that I'm going to sleep. So this was my first YouTube video. If you like it, please subscribe to see more.